Disastrous beauty. Disastrous beauty. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty. Change up your look daily. Disastrous. It's disastrous beauty. It's the way for me. It's disastrous beauty, baby. It's disastrous beauty. Change up.
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. Higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. Finally. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all of the stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Tinashe. Shout out to you, Tinashe, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. I also want to say thank you for your patience. I really just appreciate the patience that a lot of these companies have had, because like I said, it's been, you know, I've been going through a little bit and I got behind. So once again, shout out to you for your patience. Okay, so the unit that I am rocking, okay, is a body wave wig. It is obviously a highlighted body wave wig, honey. She is serving all of the Beyonce vibes, girl, okay? This unit is 22 inches. It's 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it is 200% density. Now I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can pull up the site to get more details on this wig. All right, y'all, so on the site it says highlight honey blonde body wave lace front wig, high density wig. This unit is available in 16 to 28 inches, and as I stated, I do have it in 22 inches. It is available on here, it says 150 and 180. This unit does also come in a 5x5 closure. Honey, had I known that, that's what I would have wanted, but you know, whatever. It says that it is in the color Highlight Honey Blonde color P427. It is a Swiss lace unit. Has a pre-plucked hairline. Is the average cap size, which is a medium 22.5. Okay, so those are the details and specs that I see on the site about this unit. Now, once again, it does say on the box that is 200% density, but on the website, I only see 150 and 180. Now, granted, they did send me this wig a while back, so it's possible that they no longer have the 200% in stock, but that's what's on my box, girl. Okay, that's what's on my box. As far as shedding and tangling, honestly, I have not experienced any with this unit straight out of the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl, won't do any of the things. It's just that straight out of the packaging, it did none of the things. Now, as far as the hairline, she woke up like this, girl. I did not tweeze this unit whatsoever. You guys know your girl hate to tweeze. So literally, she woke up like this.
I woke up like this, we flawless.
Now, I did bleach the knots. I have been telling you guys that I have been on a bleaching kick. So I did bleach the knots on this unit. You don't necessarily have to, because honestly, the knots weren't extremely dense. So if you're not like into bleaching the knots, I don't feel like you would have to do it with this particular unit. Just put your foundation or whatever on it, and I think that would be sufficient. As far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I did have to adjust the straps. But I am an average cap size, so girl, do with that what you want to do with that, because I only got the head that's on my shoulders, girl. I only got the head that's on my shoulders. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go. If you are interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so we're gonna start with my cons, because you know I like to end on a high note. My con is, say it with me, y'all, say it with me, it's the fact that it's a 13x4. Now, I did kind of do a C part, honey. Obviously, it's not a good one, but I did attempt to do one, and yeah, but you know, when I'm dealing with 13x4s, it's just harder to style and all that stuff, but that seems to be the go-to these days. So yeah, that would be my con. Now, my pros is I love this color. I think this color is everything. I think this is still a unit that is good to wear in the fall, in the winter, and the spring, and the summer. I feel like this is a year-round color because it is a honey color, like, and it has that, you know, that chocolate brown in it as well. So I personally feel like it's the perfect color. Okay, period. I also love that it came pre-tweezed, because you know your girl lazy. So yeah, those are my pros. So yes, I would definitely recommend this unit. I love the color. I love the highlights. As I stated, I feel like this is a year-round color, as well as the fact that it came pre-tweezed. I love all those things. I also love this a cute little body wave, and I feel like with body waves, you can either with body wave units, it's easy to go to every day, from every day to honey all night. You know what I mean? So I love that as well about body wave units, and so yes, I would personally recommend this unit. All right, y'all, so let me give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am definitely feeling this unit. I would recommend it. If you guys are interested in purchasing it, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. Also, let me know if you guys are feeling this unit the way that I am. I am interested in all of the things. So comment down below, let me know. And once again, shout out to you, Tinashe, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. You can also see on Snapchat, and I'm there on Twitter. And I will see you love us next time. Bye.